So, is Tele Latino actually legal in 2026? That's one of the biggest questions people keep asking right now. Because a lot of users see this app online, they hear that it offers live TV, sports, movies, and premium channels, and immediately wonder if it's safe or legal to use. So, in this video, we're going to talk about the reality behind Tele Latino in 2026, how it works, why it raises legal concerns, and what people should know before using apps like this. All right, first, what is Tele Latino? Tele Latino is an app that became popular because it gives users access to a large amount of TV content in one place. That includes live channels, entertainment, sports, movies, and international content. And for many people, the biggest attraction is simple. They can access premium-style content without paying for multiple official subscriptions. But here's where the legal issue starts. The app is usually distributed through APK files outside official app stores. And honestly, that's already a major warning sign. Because most legitimate streaming platforms are normally available through official stores like Google Play or the App Store. When an app requires downloading APK files from third-party websites, it immediately creates questions about licensing, security, and legality. Now let's talk about the biggest issue, content licensing. Streaming rights are extremely important in the entertainment industry. Movies, TV channels, live sports, and premium content are normally protected by distribution agreements and copyright licenses. Official platforms pay for the rights to distribute that content legally. But apps like Tele Latino often raise concerns because it's not always clear whether they have authorization for all the content being offered. And that's exactly why these apps generate legal controversy in many countries. Now, another thing people should understand, using unofficial streaming apps can also create security risks. A lot of APK files from third-party sites may contain modified software, aggressive ads, tracking systems, or even malware. And honestly, many users ignore this part completely. They focus only on getting free access, without thinking about device security or privacy risks. Now let's be clear about something important. Laws can vary depending on the country you live in. In some places, authorities focus more on distributors and operators of unauthorized streaming services. In others, users themselves can also face risks for accessing unlicensed content. That's why it's important to understand the legal environment in your own region. Now let's talk about official alternatives. Because honestly, there are now many legal streaming options available in 2026. Platforms like RTV Play, Player, and Miteli offer legal access to a lot of Spanish TV content depending on your location and subscription options. And while some services require payment, they also provide better stability, official support, safer apps, and fewer security risks overall. Now, honestly, this is what many people eventually realize. Free unofficial streaming sounds attractive at first, but unstable streams, broken links, malware risks, and legal uncertainty usually create bigger problems later. So to wrap this up, Tele Latino continues to generate legal concerns in 2026 mainly because of licensing questions and unofficial APK distribution outside official stores. And while many users still search for these types of apps, it's important to understand both the legal risks and the security risks involved. That's why many people today are moving toward official streaming platforms instead, for a safer, more stable, and fully legal experience.